irregular beats in my chest lately, and I am a little worried.
Hello, how are you?
Mm,
Tell me more about those irregular heartbeats. When have you been experiencing the anti-hotter symptoms? Have you noticed?
I started noticing them a few weeks ago, but they're not painful. Uh, but I feel like a buzzing in my chest sometimes. I haven't had any other symptoms, and I'm just worried it could be something serious.
Okay. Mm, I understand your concerns. I am going to listen to your heart to see if can detect the penalty.
Okay.
Worse? Worse. Worse.
Doctor, what could cause a heart murmur?
There's upper to heart modes present. This means that three abnormal. So in heart they bears bit. It is important to investigate the cause.
And what could cause a heart murmur, doctor?
Here are several pauses, causes, raging for ventricular and heart conditions. Two more serious problems. It's called Tabor and heart valve that doses close by problem turbulent blue flow or event intense exercise. To have a more diagnosis, we will need to, my friends, perform some additional tests, choose an electrocardiogram and possible echocardiogram.
Should I be very worried?
Stop. Okay. To know necessary many times her modes are a large do not cause health problems. However, it's important to investigate to make sure that underlying conditions that need treatment. It will be hard to guide your to analyze additional testing on anguish and questions you might have.
Okay, thank you, doctor. I feel better knowing that we're taking a steps to find out what is going on.
I am heard there's a very you need. Please don't rush up if you have any additional concern of experience changes of your systems.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Oh, doctor, good morning. Here are the result of my electrocardiograms.
Good morning. Um, mhm. Okay. Her prescriptions to tell how you are heard motor that his medicines twice a day after meal or return in 2 weeks to rest your and responding to the treatment.
And are there any dietary restrictions? I should be aware of while taking these medications.
Yes, yes. Try avoid false house sodium and might a healthy, balanced diet. Also, avoid stress and don't avoid intense physical activity. And I hope the questions.
No, doctor. And okay, doctor. Thank you very much for your attention. And thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Was
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna wait in you, doctor. Can you give me some receipts or?
medical.
Okay. The receipts. On the pharmacy.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, doctor. See you the next time.